What's up, Madden NFL 10 fans? Eric Gray from the EA Sports Live team here. Have you played online lately and someone selects the Eagles? Yeah, we know people love playing with Michael Vick because of that 90 speed, but we have 3 simple ways to help you slow your friends down when they're pulling off a play that looks something like this. Number 3, the cornerback blitz. The corner blitz is very risky against a great pocket passer, but for when people try to take the snap and just run off tackle, it's a great way to just blow that up. The good thing about the cornerback blitz is you can do it from so many formations, but be careful. If they don't have a wideout on one side of the ball, the cornerback still stays out there, and it's a dead giveaway that the cornerback is coming. Number 2, the quarterback spy. There's a handful of defensive plays with a quarterback spy already built in, but you can also take any defense and add a QB spy. Check this out. In this play, I selected Doomerville. I pressed A. This brings up the pre-play menu on the right. At the bottom of the menu, you'll see where it says right stick left to set as spy. Now you see the orange circle shows up, showing he is set to spy. Now I'm going to try to change Williams as well before the play. Alright, let's see what they do. Vick rolling right. As you can see, both linebackers follow Vick, tackle, and force the fumble. The QB spy is a great way to stop a running quarterback, but remember, Vick can still pass, so you must always be bringing pressure. Number 1, Vick plays. The best way to slow down a mobile quarterback like Vick is getting pressure on the outside without sacrificing too much in coverage. A couple of great plays designed to do this are the Strike Spy 2 and the QB Trap, both of which are in the dollar formation. Let's take a look. The Strike Spy 2 will give you decent coverage while still bringing heat from your inside cornerbacks. As you can see, the play also has your lone defensive tackle dropping back in spy for any inside attempts by the quarterback. Now let's look at the QB Trap. It's a nice change of pace from the zone coverage of the Strike Spy 2, as it puts most of your corners in man-to-man. Let's take a look. The key here is that you have one blitzing corner forcing Vick to one side, and the defensive end waiting on the other side of the spy. Remember, this isn't a guarantee to stop Vick, just 3 ways to slow him down. If you have other tips of how you like to do it, come to easports.com and spread the knowledge. I'm Eric Gray. We'll see you next time.